Hi Year 11, here's a quick reference on the work that we're going to do today. Your reference sheet is CD4 and this is the last topic we've got in our comparing data topic. So today we're looking at the shape of a distribution. So when we've plotted all of our data and put it into a histogram, what people who use this information like to do is put a curve over the top of the data because it makes it easier for them to do calculations. So when we put the curve over the top of the data, then it makes a shape for the distribution. So symmetrical distributions are ones like number 1 and number 2, and they've got symmetry about them, because if you were to put a line down the middle of them, each side is the same as the other side. A bit like when you were little and you used to do those butterfly drawings and you'd have a line down the middle and you do a pattern on one half and fold it over. That's what these symmetrical distributions are. The one in the middle is called skewed because it's pushed to one side, and you can have two types of skewed distribution. You can have one that goes this way and it's called negatively skewed because it pushes away from negative numbers, because your negative numbers are down this way on your number line. And this one here is positively skewed because it's pushing away from the positive numbers. So something like this, a curve like this, could represent test marks in a test that was really easy. This here could represent test marks on a test where the marks were really hard, because on our number line, 0 would be here, going up to say 100 up the top. And that would be the same on this one. So lots of high marks here, and in this one, lots of low marks. Sometimes you get a distribution and it's got two bumps in it. So two, like a bicycle has two wheels, two modes, bimodal, because where this top peak is, that's your mode for the distribution. So in example 4, the distribution shows the number of car owners by age who claim on their car insurance. Describe the shape of the distribution. So we've got two bumps in it, here and here. So we can say that the distribution is bimodal, as it's got a peak here and here. We could also say, since most of the data is pushed over this way, and that looks like this distribution here, we could also say it's positively skewed. So the distribution is bimodal and it's positively skewed. So in your exercise today, which is exercise 1404 in your textbook, you need to describe the shapes of distributions. So make sure you talk about whether it's symmetrical or skewed, or if it's bimodal or multimodal. So you can get multimodal, that's when it's got a couple of extra peaks in it as well. But basically, symmetrical, positively or negatively skewed, bimodal, they're your descriptions for today.